Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Meta AI notification keeps on repeating. So first things first, let's go ahead and update our app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Meta AI. If you see update, select update and update your app. In case you see open, that means your application is already updated. Now long tap onto your Meta AI app and select the eye icon. It will get landed to you in your settings page. Select permissions. Now, in case you have allowed permissions, I want you to simply disallow permissions for notifications specifically. So if it's like this, toggle it off, and after 5 minutes, go ahead and toggle it back on again. It will again enable the notification. Head over to storage, and then if you see clear cache, go ahead and select clear cache and clear the cache. Now go ahead, select force stop, then select OK. Restart your device and then launch Meta AI. Make sure that you are also connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection, and now it will fix your problem.